students. I hope you all are doing well. We are studying this factorization and we are finding highest common factor. Okay, so we are going to solve this practice set 12 today. And the first question is find the HCF. So first is 25 and 40. These two numbers are given and you need to find its HCF. Okay, so first, by vertical method you are going to write the factors of 25 and here 40. You will be solving this along with me in your notebook. So this 25 can be divided by 5. So I am going to divide 5 5s are 25 and again 5 1s are 5. Okay, so which are the factors? 5 multiplied by 5. Yes. And now what about 40? I can divide it by 2. So 2 into 20 will give me 40. 2 1s are 2. 10 multiplied by 2 will give me 20. Again 10 can be divided by 5. 2 5s are 10. Now 5 can be divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now write the factors of 40 here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now which factors are common? 1 5 is common. So we have one pair of 5. So that's why the HCF will be 5. Okay. Now let's solve the next one. The second is 56 and 32. So do it for 56 and 32. Okay. So 56 can be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. We have 1 here. So 2 8s are 16. That's how I got 28. Okay. Now 28 also can be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. 12 के लिए और 14 के लिए again we are going to divide it by 2. 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. So what are the factors? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. About 32, 2 1s are 2. We have 1 here, so it becomes 12 and 2 6s are 12. So 2 into 8 will give us 16. See, you need to practice this more. Factorization. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So what are the factors? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 times 2. Okay. Now let's find the HCF. HCF means highest common. So first common, first pair is 2. So 2. Second pair of 2 we have. So I am going to write 2 second time. And third pair of 2 I have. So I am going to write 2 for the third time. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So what is the highest common factor? It is 8. So I hope you have understood. Let's find the third one. Yes, now 105 and 154. So 105 can be divided by 3 because 5 plus 1 is equals to 6 and 6 is the multiple of 3. So 3 3s are 9. We have 1 as remainder and then 3 5s are 15. Okay. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8, so we cannot divide it by 3. But it has 5 at its end, we are going to divide it with 5. So 5 7s are 35 and 7 can be divided by only 7. So what are the factors? 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. What about this? We have 4 at the end, so we are going to divide by 2. 2 sevens are 14. We have 1 here, and again 2 sevens are 14. So 77 multiplied by 2 will give you 144, 154. So 77. Can we divide by 3? No. 4? No. We can divide by 7. 7 into 11 will give us 77. How? 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7. Now 11 is a prime number which can be divided by only 11 or 1. So now what are the factors? 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. Yes. Now what is the HCF? We have 7 as common factor. So HCF is 7. Okay. Now you will be solving. I'm going to give you homework now. So this is your homework. You need to find the HCF of these two, and that's it. So do your homework and send it to me. If you have any doubts, I'll see you in the Google Meet. Okay. So have a nice day.